Hey cruisers, are you trying to turn your hobby into a business or just learn how to make money online? I'm Ebony Cruz from successwithebonycruz.com, and on this channel, I'll teach you how to build a personal brand as well as build a sustainable income online. It is my goal to help as many people turn their natural talents into profit. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and over the past 5 years, I've used my industry expertise to land some pretty amazing opportunities. You'll discover tools necessary to help you set up and create your online presence. I'll share product reviews to help you decide which products are best for your personal growth as well as your business growth. I'll also teach you how to build a business around your family. I'll share simple ways you can do part-time work to help you fund your business as you continue to grow and make money online. It is my goal to help as many people turn their passion into profit and say goodbye to their 9-to-5 and hello to living the life of their dreams. So if you're ready to start living life on your own terms, subscribe to this channel. Let's cruise into success together, one dream at a time.